Welcome back. I am your own Deepak Kumar, and I am ready with a new QCAR topic. QCAR topic is describe a risk you have taken which had a positive result. Your hints are what it was, why you took it, and what the result was, and how you felt about it. So let me share my ideas on this cue card. Risks are something which terrify you in the beginning, but once you go through a risk, it gives you growth. It gives you stretch. It gives you a new life, a new personality, new set of characteristics, and new set of attributes. In my life, I have taken a number of risks. Sometimes I grown up from my risks, and sometimes I got embarrassment and humiliation, and sometimes it was a little bit embarrassing also, but still I love to take risks. I am quite curious about taking risks and trying the new things, trying the unknown things. So here I would like to speak about a particular risk that I took after my 10th standard. In my 10th standard, I was studying with my friends, and all of my friends, majority of my friends were studying with me from class 6th. So we were having 4 to 5 years old friendship. After class 10th, after qualifying class 10th, we had to choose the stream like arts, commerce, medical, non-medical. I took non-medical stream because of my family background. In my family, there were a number of mechanical engineers, and non-medical or BSc students, or my elder brothers and sisters. They all guided me, and they all somehow they forced me also, like, come in the non-medical stream, career is bright, and this and this and this. So I came in non-medical stream, and I took the risk of leaving all my 4 5 year old friends and fellows, because they went for arts stream. Majority of them went for arts stream, few of them went for commerce stream, and very rare guys came in non-medical stream. And I studied hard. Initially I was very much nervous and afraid, like, what happen if I don't get good scores in non-medical stream after 2 years of labor and diligence and hard work. But somehow it paid off. After my 12th, I got 80% marks in my non-medical stream, and finally and eventually I got admission in a reputed engineering college. So all my labor got a huge and a grand return. But initially, when I was taking the risk of leaving all my fellow friends and leaving the arts and commerce stream options and going for the non-medical stream, it was really a big, and it could be a very dangerous and a devastating risk for me. But somehow, just because of the labor, just because of the guidance of my family members and elder brothers and sisters who were in my family, that really paid off. So this was my take on the cue card. Describe a risk you have taken and which had a positive result in the end. And now I would like to tell you a great thing. If you are an IELTS aspirant, you want to go to Canada, Australia, UK, America, and you need IELTS exam TRF or IELTS exam certification to apply for your visa application, and you are looking for an IELTS teacher, or if you have given IELTS exam once, twice, thrice, and you are still not getting your desired band score, like 6 each or 6.5, not less than 6, or if you're looking for your PR, means permanent residency filing, and you are looking for somebody who can train you to achieve 8777, or if you are preparing for 8777 but you are getting 8 in listening, 7 in reading, or maybe more in listening reading but not 7 in writing module, or 7 in speaking, you can take individual module classes with me. You can take entire IELTS course as well, and you will be learning the smart and the concrete and the strong skills to qualify IELTS exam. For knowing more about the fee structures, the timings, the syllabus, the curriculum, the study material that I provide to my online IELTS students, you can WhatsApp me at 9966055415, and you can email me at iltsdk@gmail.com. And the confidence that I am having right now by making this video, with same confidence I teach in my online IELTS classes. And right now I am having a big group of IELTS online students. So with the blessings and with the energy that I am getting from my existing students or from my past students, I, from the bottom of my heart, encourage you to join my online IELTS classes. If you want to check your IELTS, if you want to get checked in your IELTS writing essays, letters, graphs, you can opt those kind of services also on paid basis. So for more information, you can WhatsApp me. And additionally, if you want me to speak on any of the Q card topic, my brothers and sisters, you can put a comment, you can share your request on my WhatsApp number, you can email me like this kind of Q card you want to listen from my side, you want me to speak on that topic. So you are most welcome. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for giving so love and affection and compassion to this YouTube channel. Bye bye. Thank you. Take care.